Hello, in this video we will discuss about autofill option. You can see a small table in front of you. Names are written and on the left hand side the serial number column is there. Normally what we do, we write uh, number 1 on the first cell and then drag it down like this. Or you can also double click on the corner here, this autofill handle. It will automatically fill all the cells where data is written. So I will drag it down. You can see in some cases, when we drag it down like this, sometimes it automatically fills the sequence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes it just copy the same number. And sometimes we are not aware why it is behaving like this. So I'll tell you why it happens. Keep this table selected, this column selected like this. On the bottom right corner you can see this small icon. Okay, just click on that. You can see in this option, there are many options there in this button. Copy cell. Here the option is selected. Copy cell means when we the value was 1 in the first cell. When we drag it down, it will just copy the value which is in the first cell, and 1 was there and it copied to all remaining cells. So this is the reason it just copies the cell. So here is another option, fill series. When I will check, you will see that instead of 111 it will change to 1 2 3 4 5. You can see it is changed because we selected the option fill series. Okay, and there are some more options are there. I will tell you what is the use of that. Fill formatting only. If we will select this, so when we will drag the cell 1 down, it will only copy the format of the cell. Formatting applied to that cell to the other cells, it will not copy the data. Let's use it. You can see it used only format. Format means then the first cell, the color was selected, some color, and the remaining cells, there was no color. So it copied the color to remaining cells without any number. Okay. So the next option is fill without formatting. Fill without formatting means it will not copy the format, but as already the color is copied, maybe it will not work. Look, you can see it filled without formatting means it copies the same value, but the format of the cell, the color which was here, it was not copied. Okay, so we will do again, do like this. Go to this option. We have seen copy cell, fill series, fill formatting only. If you want to copy the format only, use this option. If you copy the numbers only without format, use this option. What is flash fill? We will also discuss. But right now, I will select fill series. So the sequence number is properly displayed. What is flash fill? Now I will tell you. You can see these names, full name, Dalpat Kumar, Amir Khan, Amit Shah. So what I'll do, type, I will separate first name and second name into two different columns. So I will type only Dalpat. Okay. Now Excel knows that here, here in this column, he has to copy only first letter, first name from this table. You just write Dalpat and double click. Oh, sorry, it is not picked. Maybe we have to give two cells value, Amir as well. Now it will identify the pattern. We can see copy cell was there. We will select flash. Can you see what is the use of flash? If we will use copy cell, it will just repeatedly copy the same value. But if we will use the flash fill, it will uh, copy, it will fill automatically the first names from this name column. Similarly, we will apply here in the second name. Now we will try to do it with only one cell field. Okay, it copied again the same value here because copy cell is used. Use flash fill, it will copy second name in this column. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.